Hello and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be looking at algebraic fractional equations. So the objective here is to solve equations with algebraic fractions. So here's an example. We need to solve 3 over x plus 2 plus 2 over x equals 1. Now to solve this, I'm going to start off by simplifying the left-hand side. And the left-hand side, we're just adding two algebraic fractions. So in order to add algebraic fractions, I need a common denominator. So the common denominator here is going to be x bracket x plus 2. So the first fraction, to get from x plus 2 to x plus 2, I've multiplied the top and the bottom by x. So the first fraction is going to be 3x over x plus 2. The second fraction, 2 over x, to make it over x bracket x plus 2, I need to times it by x plus 2. So this one's going to be 2 bracket x plus 2. So now I'm going to add the numerators, so I have 3x plus 2 bracket x plus 2 over x bracket x plus 2 equals 1. And then I'm going to expand the top, so I'm going to do that over here. So I end up with 3x plus 2x plus 4 over x bracket x plus 2 equals 1. And then the numerators simplify to 5x plus 4 over x plus 2 equals 1. So now I'm left with this fraction. So the fraction's a little bit awkward, so to get rid of the fraction, I'm going to multiply both sides by x bracket x plus 2. So if I do that, I end up with 5x plus 4 equals 1x plus 2. So now I have 5x plus 4 equals x squared plus 2x. And now this is starting to resemble a quadratic equations. Now to solve quadratic equations, they need to be equal to 0. So I'm going to move the 5x plus 4 onto the other side to make it equal to 0. So if I do that, I end up with x squared plus 2x, and then I'm going to minus 5x, and I'm going to minus 4 to make it equal to 0. Simplifying this, we get x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. And then to solve this, we can just factorise. So factorising this, we need to think of two numbers that multiply to minus 4 and add to minus 3. So that's going to be minus 4 and 1. So it's x minus 4 and x plus 1 equals 0. Solving this using the zero product property, we end up with x equals 4 and x equals minus 1. So these are the answers to this question. Now here's another example. So this time we have 2 over x plus 2 equals x plus 1 over 3. So to solve this question, what we can just do is cross multiply, because essentially what we're doing is we're multiplying both sides by 3 bracket x plus 2. So if I cross multiply here, I do 3 times 2, which is 6, and then x plus 1 times x plus 2. So I get x plus 1 times x plus 2. So I end up with 6 equals x squared plus 2x plus 1x plus 2. Simplifying the right-hand side, I get x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 6. And now again, this is starting to resemble a quadratic. So I need to minus 6 from both sides to make it equal to 0. So I get x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. And then I need to factorise this. So factorising this, I think of two numbers that multiply to minus 4 and add to 3. So I get x plus 4, x minus 1 equals 0. And then again, applying the zero product property, I end up with x equals minus 4 and x equals 1. So these are the answers to this question. So here are two quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, well done if you managed to have a go at those. I've just displayed the answers on the screen. And that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!